Welcome back, guys. I better explain what's been going on. So this is an update on the brown car. We got the engine back last weekend with head and block separated still. The head's been completely rebuilt. It's got brand new valves in it. The bottom end has got brand new rings in it, been homed, King race bearings. We've also upgraded to ARP head studs and a 1.2mm gasket, head gasket. Since then, we've done a few other things. You can see I've got a painted manifold on. I learnt my lesson. So we've got a fully painted intake manifold. That is the one that I had shot blasted. But thanks to Helen, we had it vapor blasted, and it literally took it straight back down to aluminium again, and it was absolutely spotless inside. So that's great news. So we've had that cleaned up again, and I've ran some brake cleaner through it just to double check, just because I'm a bit paranoid now. And yeah, so we've got some paint on it. There's no other updates really. It already had a new timing chain once before, and that's it really. I haven't done any upgrades to the clutch, anything. That was all fine, and everything else seemed to be fine. We did find the turbo was loose in the housing, to tighten that up, and I've really gone through it with a fine-tooth comb. I actually bought my own torque wrench, which sounds a bit serious. It's been a while since I've done like major mechanics, so it was quite nice to do it again and kind of reminisce doing it. So next move is now, as you can see, got the gearbox on, got the clutch on, got the engine completely together, hot side and cold side, and we're going to put it in the car. The plan is to get it running in a few days. I've been taking my time on it and just doing a few hours a night, just making sure I've not missed anything, and hoping everything's good. I also want to do a massive shout out to a mate of mine, Peden, that helped me out with some oil. I won't mention what oil it is, but massive thanks for Peden for sorting out some oil. We've got a fresh oil filter, all the oil lines have been blown out. Anything that could possibly have any of the sandblast in has been cleaned. So game on now. So let's get this back in the car, see if we can get it running, and do a few little checks when it's done, and go from there. Fingers crossed, it's all good. So follow along, guys, as hopefully we have some good news. Right, so as you can see, we've got it all in and gone through all the bits underneath the intake manifold, because that's just amazing, especially with everything tried to be tidied up. Actually, I've just remembered something else, which I need to make sure I can find, which is a vacuum pipe for this. So I'll have a look for that in a minute. The gearbox is up, exhaust is on, gearbox is back up where it should be, in that epoxy tunnel that I made. Look pretty, but a pain in the ass to work on. So that's good, and yeah, it's starting to come together now. We'll leave it like that for now, and we'll come back tomorrow and do some more, and hopefully by the weekend we'll have it running. We have oil pressure. note to self, don't ever do bloody AN fitting 20, whatever it is. Oh my God, never again. I think if you followed along, you've obviously seen me complain about this once before. And yeah, I wish I never did. But it looks snazzy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. But, I mean, you can't say the hoses are ever going to come off. So there is that, I suppose. This one's the easy one compared to that one, anyway. Right, this is the one that's a absolute what to do, as you can see. There we go, we've got it now. I think as I'm getting used to it, I'm getting a technique, but still. Never again. It's solid, pretty much solid mounted anyway. But yeah. Anyway, I'll stop ranting now. I think I'm just moaning because the only radio station it will play in my unit at the moment, because digital radios took a poo, is Radio 1, and I'm listening to some right crap. Now I'm obviously getting to that age where I remember when my dad was like, "What are you listening to? This is crap." Yeah, well I'm at that age now. I am definitely getting to that age. Right then, got some plug to stick on. I put all the cold side on together, all the intercooler, all the Jubilee clips, airflow meters plugged in, because this is on a standard ECU. We've got oil pressure. So as far as I know, I've got fuel. I will have a quick gander just to make sure. Right, we've got fuel. So fingers crossed, will she live again? Fingers crossed. Okay. Let's try a bit of throttle and see what happens. Right, I've got no fuel pressure by the looks of it. Why have I got no fuel pressure? I don't seem to be getting a signal to the pump. So why is that? That's plugged in, that's plugged in. There was an earth cable. It was kind of broke. I don't know what it was for. are we getting no fuel signal? Could have also put the cats in wrong. I've not done many of them. Okay, hold on. Right. I forget that this car's got an extra kill switch. So that's my bad. I think it was because we took it to the show. Got a fuel pump now. Right then. Take 2 again. God, it has to scare you, doesn't it? It has to scare you. Just that the epoxy kill switch there. But there we go. Got it running. So it's time to make it look pretty again. Have a bit cleaner. Put some water in it. And take it for a test drive. As you can see, got it all running sweet now. All water's bled, brakes bled, everything's kind of cool. Everything's kind of running as it should be. But the sensible thing to do now is we're going to take it to Greg at Pro Tuner. Because we've done a few changes, put a thicker head gasket on, decked the block, had the head skin and a few of the jobs. We're going to make sure it's completely 100%. Now this is on a standard ECU, but you can still plug into it and make sure everything's okay. So I'll wait to hear from him from when he wants it in for books, but booked in. But super happy it's running, and as you can imagine, proper buzzing to get back out in the car again and use it for what it's supposed to be used for. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.